Namaskar. Let's solve one more question from partial differential equation. So I hope you are in best of your health and enjoying your studies equally. So how to solve this type of question? We have been given pz square, pz whole square plus q square equals to p square. As you can see, whatever question is given is in terms of p, q and z. Okay. So if I bring this term to the left hand side, I can write pz whole square plus q square minus p square q equals to 0. Now this is a function of z, p, q equals to 0. So this is a problem. This is first of all a non-linear partial differential equation. And this is the second standard form. So whenever you get a question of second standard form, we take one substitution, and that substitution is capital X equal to small x plus ay. If I take this equation as equation number 1, so I will use this and this. But first of all, before that, I need to find my p. So p is basically del z by del small x. But first, before small x, z is a function of capital X. So del z by del capital X. Further, z capital X is a function of x. So del x by x. I am differentiating capital X partially with respect to x. Okay. Now, what is my del capital X by x? I can find that from here. If I find del capital X by del small x, I am going to get 1 because I will treat this as constant derivative of this with respect to small x symbol. Okay. So this became 1. So p equals to, now because z is only function of capital X now, so I can write this as dz by dx, like ODE. Because z is a function of just one variable capital X, so dz by dx, and this came out to be 1. So I got the value of p. Similarly, I can get the value of q. Same way, del z by del capital X and del capital X differentiate x with respect to y. Capital X with respect to y. So what I will get? Del capital X by del y. A, because I will treat this as constant. So derivative of y with respect to y is 1 and multiplied by 1. So I will put this a here. So q again. Because z is completely function of x, so I can write dz by dx. Sorry, here it will come capital X into a. So I got the value of q as well. So I will put the value of p and q here in the first equation. So pz whole square. So dz by dx whole square into z square plus q square, that means a square dz by dx whole square equals to p square q. So p square is dz by dx whole square into this. So I will get dz by dx whole cube into a. Everywhere it will be capital X. Now I can cancel dz by dx whole square from both sides. So I will get z square plus a square equals to dz by dx into e. Okay. So I will get dx equals to a divided a dz divided by z square plus a square. If I integrate both sides, so integration of d capital X is x equals to a integration of 1 upon x square plus a square came out to be 1 by 8 tan inverse x by a. So here 1 by 8, in place of x I have z here, so z by, okay, constant of integration I am writing in the left side. Okay, a and a gets cancelled, so x plus c is tan inverse z by a. I can take this tan to the left hand side, so I will get tan of capital X plus c equals to z by a. What is capital X? Capital X is small x plus ay, so tan of small x plus ay plus c equals to z by a, or finally I can write z equals to this a goes that side, so a tan x plus ay plus, based on which side you take the constant, answer may vary, but this is also one such answer. So I hope you understood this. Starting from the initial step, this was a function of z p q, so we second standard form. So I took capital X as small x plus ay. I found nu p and nu q. Because z was function of x, so del z by del x first. Then x was further function of capital X and capital Y. So partial derivative of x with capital X with respect to small x. And here partial derivative of capital X with respect to small x. But what the value of p and q, I put that back in equation number 1. Got this, I cancelled dz by dx whole square from both sides. Normal integration, I got the final answer. So I hope you understood something at least from this question, how to solve problems of this type. And for more such problems, you can watch out my playlist on partial differential equation, where I have covered problems from basics, right from formation of differential equations. So that's it from my side. Thanks and have a nice day.